Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer crypto from crypto.com app to MEXC Exchange. So to get started with the guide, the first thing to do is to obtain your MEXC deposit address. So to do this, log into your MEXC account via the website or mobile app, then navigate to the wallet section and select deposit. Search for cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, for example USDT. Then after that, choose the appropriate network, for example ERC20, TRC20 or BIP20, and ensure this match the network you will use on crypto.com. Then after that, copy the generated deposit address. For certain cryptocurrencies, a memo or a tag may be required. Then after that, you have to initiate the withdrawal on crypto.com app. So to do this, open the crypto.com app and log in. Then from there, tap on account, then select crypto wallet, then choose the currency you wish to transfer. So tap on transfer, click on withdraw, then from there click on external wallet. So if you haven't added your MEXC address before, tap on the plus icon to add a new wallet address, then paste the MEXC deposit address you copied earlier, then select the correct network matching the one chosen on the MEXC account. Then if required, enter the memo or tag assigned to a label, for example MEX, which is MEXC USDT, for easy identification. Then complete any necessary verification steps. So once the address is added, select it from your list of saved address and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then review the network fee and ensure you have a sufficient balance. Confirm the details and tap on withdraw. Then in step 3, you have to confirm and monitor the transfer. So after initiating the withdrawal, you will receive a confirmation prompt, approve if it proceed. Then the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. Processing time varies based on the network congestion. Typically, if you use TRC20, which is very fast with a lower fee, so if you use ERC20, it may take longer and incur high fee. So you can monitor your transaction status within the crypto app. Within the crypto app, under the account, click on the crypto wallet, then your selected cryptocurrency transaction history. So once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the fund will appear in the MEXC account. You can verify this by checking the wallet section on MEXC, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.